Welcome back to my channel. This is Coin Code. I'm DMO, and on this video I'm going to show you and share with you the latest update from this Venom Foundation regarding their latest project on the ecosystem, their partnership, and what this project has to offer, and how they are turning Venom Foundation to one of the biggest crypto ecosystem. And still on this video, I'm also going to show you new tiny tasks you need to perform on this Venom ecosystem, and by doing this little tasks you can earn 10,000 Venom token on the ecosystem and $5,000 on their mainnet. And remember, this is not my saying, this is what Venom ecosystem has to offer to its users. So it is not that I'm trying to overhype Venom Foundation. This is a proven track record of what they have been doing even on their testnet. And during their scalability, you can see that an entire country have partnered with this one Abu Dhabi Venom Foundation project. Just as you can see from this article on Cointelegraph, it says that Kenya partnered with Abu Dhabi's Venom Foundation to build blockchain Web3 hub. This basically means that Kenya is partnering with Venom Foundation to build blockchain developer and crypto enthusiasts, you understand, on the Venom Foundation, which is also one big win for this Venom ecosystem. And additionally, they have partnered and added new products to their ecosystem. For example, on their testnet, you can see that they've added a new NFT marketplace, Numi. Numi is the first NFT marketplace that is built on this Venom Foundation. Now, imagine a blockchain project that is doing this kind of $1 billion funding and have partnered with major organizations and made big partnership, which have built their own entire ecosystem, you understand, on their testnet, which basically means that they are doing all these things on their pre-mainnet launch. Now, imagine how much more they will do when they finally launch on their mainnet. So if you are not participating on this Venom ecosystem now that they are free and you are not spending any money, it means that you are going to miss a lot, because this Venom Foundation will definitely give people tens of thousands of dollars without spending any money. Now, before I proceed to these video details, please make sure that you like this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more free informative content like this, and also join my Telegram community where you get quick and free updates even before I upload any video here on YouTube. And just as you can see, they are mind-blowing and free updates which I could not make video on, you understand, but I've already posted them on my Telegram community. So make sure that you join this Telegram community with a link below. And with that being said, if you watched my previous video on how to be eligible and how to interact with this Venom testnet so that you put yourself in a better position to get this Venom airdrop, you notice that I did not talk about this particular tax which I'm going to share with you on how to be eligible for this $5,000 and this 10,000 free Venom token on their mainnet. This is because all these tax or quests you are seeing here are on the Zilli website, which is different from the main Venom website. Now, by performing this tax externally, it means that you'll be earning this 10,000 Venom token and this $5,000 outside your airdrop. Now, imagine if Venom token got to $1, you understand? That means that any this 10,000 Venom token means that you have automatically gotten $10,000 plus your $5,000 they are going to give you, you understand? And that will make it $15,000 outside your airdrop. Now imagine that if you already got like a 5,000 pieces of Venom or 1,000 pieces of Venom as an airdrop, it means that you'll be making nothing less than $15,000 to $20,000 on this airdrop alone, you understand? So with all this information being said, if you have not participated on this Venom Foundation and you don't know much about this Venom airdrop, you just have to watch that video where I broke down how to be eligible for this Venom airdrop and how you can freely interact with this Venom Foundation ecosystem so that you put yourself in a better position to get their mega airdrop. So outside the last video I made, the first latest task you need to perform on this Venom testnet ecosystem is this new NFT marketplace that is being added to this Venom testnet ecosystem, which is the first anime metaverse project that is being built on this Venom Foundation blockchain. What you just have to do from here is to click on complete task. Then it will take you to this page whereby it will show up all the information you need to know about this tax and how to participate and how to be eligible for you to mint this NFT. So you can see that the first one have been completed, which is watching a YouTube video, you understand? So you move on to the next one, and the next one says that tweet about Nomi. So you click on tweet and wait for it to load up, and automatically it will take you to Twitter for you to make a tweet about this Nomi blockchain or this Nomi product that is being added to the ecosystem. Then you come back to this tax center and click check, and automatically you can see that the tax have been completed. So what next is to move on to the next tax, which is to buy an NFT on the Nomi marketplace. Now remember that you are going to make a transaction, but you are not going to spend any real money, you understand? So you just have to click on that little arrow and automatically it will take you to the Nomi NFT marketplace, just as you can see right now. So the goal here is to make an NFT transaction by buying an NFT to your collection. But first of all, you need to create an account. So you just have to click sign up, and on the sign up tab, you just have to enter your nickname, your email address, and enter a password by which you will use to access this your account in the nearest future. Now, after creating an account, the next thing is to connect your Venom wallet to this Nomi marketplace. So you click on connect wallet, and automatically your Venom wallet will pop out. So you just got to click on connect wallet, you understand? Then you enter your Venom wallet password, then click on sign in, and with that you are good to go to make your first transaction on the Nomi NFT marketplace. And you can see that you are also giving 10 Nomi token, which you are going to make use of to make this transaction, you understand? So that means you are not going to spend any money. So for you to confirm this, you just have to click on this option icon, then you'll be able to see your 10 Nomi token and my 203 Venom token, which you can see on your right part of your screen. So you just have to look for an NFT to make purchase of so that you complete this tax, you understand? And since I don't want to spend my entire Nomi token, I'm going to look for NFT that is around 5. So I click on this sneakers buy. You can see that this sneakers is sold around 5 Nomi tokens. So I just got to enter the quantity, which is 1. Then you can say transaction fee 5%. Then click agree to terms and condition and click on buy. Then wait for it to load up, and you can see that your wallet address will pop out. So you just have to enter your password and click on confirm transaction, then wait for it to load up. With that, you can see that the sneakers I bought as NFT is already on my collection. So when I click my account, you can see that I'm left with 5 Nomi token and my 200 Venom token, you understand? So when I click inventory, you can actually see my NFT which I bought. So you can see this one down below. You can see that 5 Nomi token, not for sale, you understand? I own it, you understand? So that's just basically how this tax is being done. So all you just need to do is to go back to the tax center and click on check. Then you can see that transaction have been completed. So you click on mint NFT. So you just got to click on mint NFT, enter your Venom password as usual, then click on confirm transaction, and automatically you can see that this NFT have been minted on this your Venom blockchain. So meaning that you have performed that tax that is on the Venom testnet, you understand? So when you come back to your dashboard, you will see your NFT achievement. You can see all your NFT that you have claimed. So make sure you check out that video to understand how to interact on this ecosystem and claim these NFTs so that you position yourself for a better airdrop. Now moving to the main content of this video, which is for you to stand a chance to get this free 10,000 Venom token and $5,000. And by doing that, you will need to perform all these tasks, which you can see right now. So I'm going to show you how to perform each and every one of them. But there is only one problem, because I don't want to waste your time any longer, you understand? So all you just need to do is to click the link on the video description below. Then it will take you to this Zilli website for you to set up your account and interact on this Venom network. And for you to do that, you will need to connect your Twitter account to the Zilli website, your Discord and your MetaMask, and also the Venom wallet for this particular transaction, you understand? So you just have to do those little connections before you can interact with this Venom network for you to stand your chance to get this 10,000 worth of Venom token and $5,000. Now you can see that I've not done any of these tasks on this Zilli website. That is why you can see 0% and level 1. So all you just need to do is to click on this flex rule, and you can see that it says that welcome and the rule. So you can just go through it, then click on claim reward. Then first of all, you need to enter your Venom address, which will be used to send the XP to your Venom address. So you just got to copy your address, then paste it. Then you just got to click on done, and you just have to give it some time. Click reward, and you can see that that task have been completed. So you move on to the next one. The next one says that you are going to visit the Venom Foundation website, which you have already done if you watched my previous video. So you are going to visit the website and explore the website ecosystem and explore what they have to offer, you understand? And since you are not new, you have already done this part, so you just got to come back. Then you can just wait for that timer to count to 0, then click on claim your reward, and 10 XP will be added to your Venom wallet. Now for the remaining tasks, I'm not going to say anything. I'm just going to show you a demo of how to perform these tasks, because I want to show you how every task is being done, you understand, from the quizzes to everything. So from now on, I will not be saying anything, but I will just be showing the tasks, understand? So make sure that you like this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more free informative content like this. So with that being said, as you might already know, I'm DMO. So thank you for watching, and see you on my next video.